Check out this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.